How to connect your PS5 to an ARC-enabled TV.
Hello, tech enthusiasts. In today's video, we're going to learn how to connect your PlayStation 5 or PS5 to an ARC-enabled TV using HDMI. By the end of this video, you'll be all set to enjoy your favorite games on your TV with top-notch audiovisual quality.
What is ARC?
Firstly, let's clarify what ARC is. ARC stands for Audio Return Channel. This feature allows the TV to send audio data upstream to an ARC-compatible soundbar or AV receiver, creating a more immersive sound experience. But more importantly, it simplifies your setup by reducing the number of cables needed.
Does the PS5 support ARC?
The question you might be asking now is, does the PS5 support ARC? The answer is yes. The PS5 does support ARC. However, it's important to note that the PS5 itself doesn't directly utilize the ARC feature. That's the job of your TV and sound system. The PS5 simply needs to be connected to an ARC-compatible HDMI port on the TV.
How to connect your PS5 to an ARC-enabled TV.
Let's move on to how you can connect your PS5 to an ARC-enabled TV. 1. Locate the ARC-compatible HDMI port on your TV. This is usually labeled HDMI ARC. 2. Connect one end of the HDMI cable to the PS5. This goes into the HDMI out port on the back of the console. 3. Connect the other end of the HDMI cable to the ARC-compatible HDMI port on your TV. 4. Turn on your PS5 and TV. The TV should automatically detect the PS5. If it doesn't, manually select the HDMI input that the PS5 is connected to. 5. And that's it. Your PS5 is now connected to your ARC-enabled TV.
Any additional settings to consider?
After setting up the physical connections, you might want to adjust the audio settings on your PS5 to make sure you're getting the best sound quality. 1. Go to the PS5 settings menu. 2. Select sound and then audio output. 3. Under HDMI device type, select AV amplifier. 4. You can then select the number of channels that your sound system supports, ensuring optimal audio performance. And there you have it. You now know how to connect your PS5 to an ARC-enabled TV using HDMI. We hope this video has been helpful, and you're now all set to enjoy your gaming sessions with high-quality sound and visuals. Happy gaming!